I'm in a Mclaren 720S. Next to me is Shmee in a Tesla Model S P100D. So I've got a mid-mounted 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 720 horsepower, 770 newton meters of torque, got a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control, and I'm rear-wheel drive. So Shmee, tell me about your car and why you've got it, because you don't own it, do you?
So we've had a series of drag races, and in each one you've chosen a car that's been a little bit quicker than the one that I've been driving. So I thought I would choose something that I think is going to beat you in this drag race. So we've got the Tesla Model S P100D, 100 for the kilowatt hours of the battery, D for the double electric motors. And this is a top trumps card, 761 horsepower, 980 newton meters. 0 to 60 miles per hour in the Tesla Model S P100D is just 2.4 seconds, thanks to the four-wheel drive. So I think this could be the winner.
We'll find out. Now, before we do, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and Shmee's channel as well, and check us out on Instagram. Also, why don't you see if you can guess which of these two cars is going to win? Click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to cast your vote.
The first thing for me is to engage Ludicrous Plus, and I have to select yes, bring it on, as opposed to no, I don't want my mummy.
Come on! Oh, he's away first!
My goodness me, the torque!
My God, that thing just flies. Come on, McLaren! Come on, petrol power! I'm reading him in. Come on, McLaren!
There he comes!
I'm gonna take this. Bye-bye!
No! He's through!
Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa!
He got it! He won the race at the last final stretch!
You didn't win!
No, you got it! You got it! I was off the line quicker. This car, the torque, the feeling through the whole of your body, to be honest. But then you came sailing past. You completely breezed by.
Full-on ludicrous mode. That launches like a beast. Nothing can beat it, really. But ultimately, this is lighter and it's faster.
I think case has been proven right there. The 720S is an incredibly quick machine.
I'll tell you what, the Tesla Model S was our king of drag races at CarWow. Nothing beats it. He chose the right car there to compete against this. But we have a new king, Mclaren 720S.
So then, let's look at the times. The 720S did the standing quarter mile in 10.5 seconds. The Tesla may have been quicker off the line, but it finished in 10.9 seconds. But can it even the score in the second challenge?
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. I'm in comfort mode, gearbox in comfort. That Tesla's in ludicrous plus, but it's also in kind of comfort because that's the way it rolls. So I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! No!
And we're away. We've got the jump. Will he catch me?
This had to kick down. That just went.
I don't think he will, you know.
That's just gone. Can I reel him in?
I'm getting on the brakes. Woohoo! He would have got me, but I think I've claimed that. I think that's mine.
That's pretty clear cut there. Electric power, instant response.
I obviously did have the advantage, though, that the car was in Ludicrous Plus mode, which, as you kind of said, it's not quite comfortable mode, even though it still feels pretty similar.
This kicked down, and by the time it had done that, you were gone and a long way ahead. But then this started to pull you back.
For sure, I was looking at the speedometer rising like 111, 112, 113, and then I was looking in my mirror and you were rapidly catching. Give it another like 50 meters, 100 meters, and you would have been off into the distance already.
Let's do the decider then. A brake test from 70 miles an hour. Full ABS stop at the cone.
I think he's probably going to get this one.
That weighs 2.2 tons. This, 1,400 kilos. Almost a ton lighter.
1,000 Newton meters helps when you're driving hard, but the weight penalty just cannot work in my favor.
Let's see what happens.
Brake, brake. Oh my gosh.
That was easy.
That wasn't even close, was it?
You're completely in my blind spot.
You're way back there somewhere.
Yeah, I definitely had a distinct advantage.
Almost a ton's worth.
That's crazy, isn't it? You're almost a complete car's worth lighter.
So I think that means that in this particular challenge, overall it's
2-1 to me, but that means that it's
2 each for each of the individual videos.
It does indeed, and they've all been 2-1. We're completely dead even on our total scores.
Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed this little mini series of drag races, and maybe we'll do something even more special when we hit 2 million subscribers.